As you could have seen that I bought a large plastic tube. I will show you. This one, quite thick, sturdy, and my goal was to make a R and then another R shape in a way that I have a clamp here, okay, and I'm going to apply intense heat on top of it, that in here I will be able to squeeze it, that it will be flat, and then after few inches to make an L shape also with heat, and then another one, and in this case the few inches here would have been held with a clamp and with this on top of it here, and then after a few inches L shape and L shape here, and then I will have here a place to hang the towel on the top of the sink. But I realize I don't have a way to apply heat. I'm not sure how much I should use, because it's clearly above 100 degrees Celsius, the point where water evaporates. So I need maybe 150, I'm not sure, that it will be hot enough to bend it easy, but not too much that it will burn it, because I can use a lighter, actual fire, that it will burn it. So I need only enough of heat. And then I thought to myself, okay, I don't have this, but I do have a saw or this cutter, so I can cut it into few inches here and exact measures here. And then I bought L shape that are already in L shape. They are called connectors, L-shaped connectors. And so I can take those three parts and put inside those connectors, and that's it. I only need to apply glue once it's inside of it. But instead, what I have, and this is the clamp that I initially bought. This one, super massive, super strong. Okay, and I bought new ones today, plastic ones, so 1 and 2, and I have this one from a year ago. This is something that I already have, a metal wire wrapped with a plastic or nylon, something like this, and it is practically in a very good length already. And amazingly, in those clamps, there are little holes here that I can put those little rings, like shackle. Then I'm gonna do this. Maybe with the plier will be a little bit easier. Take it inside. This is one. To do the same thing for the other clamp. Okay. and then just turn it into this way, and that's it. The only thing that left for me to do is to put this loop inside of this. Maybe it's a little bit tricky, but no, it's not that tricky. This is done, and now I'm gonna place it here. If I'm open it, okay. I don't want to put my forehand on top of it, so I have to be careful when I'm moving around here, but it's not that awful anyway. Now let's see if this is good enough. Alright, now I'm gonna place it like this. Okay. Be in mind that I'm only gonna place on top of it a towel, which is much what can I do more? Okay, I can do maybe something like this. I prefer. Okay, and now we're gonna take this inside of it, like so. And what left for me to do is to hang it like this, or here. Not bad, not bad at all. But I prefer that this, what I did there, maybe I will be able to do it here. No, it's not too long. So instead of here, I will do it in here. Ow. So strong. This could be also interesting, that I will just make it a little narrower. Very, very strong spring, like so. Let's put it more in the middle. Here. Okay, this is another contraption. I think it's a easy fix. This can open, doesn't hit it. This is from plastic, so it doesn't damage the lamination of this. Even if I hit it with my forehead, which here, this is the line of the countertop, so it's about maybe 10 inches or 5 to 10 inches So I need to actually bend to hit my forehead here. Yeah, not bad. Now I have a place to hang a towel and wash my hands, clean, and that's it. Nice.